friends. My name is Ding Thị Thanh Mai. I am professional tour designer and the best international tour guide in Vietnam. If all of you have opportunity to visit Vietnam, my beautiful countries, especially if all of you visit Ho Chi Minh City, it has own name which were called Saigon. I would love to invite all of you to visit Vinhome Grand Park, the great garden of my luxury flats. All of you can see lots of super trees like super trees in Garden by the Bay in Singapore. Let's follow me, we discover Vinhome Grand Park by night. We can see lovely waterfall. Vinhome's Grand Park has location at District 9, Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. I have lovely flat inside this Vinhome Grand Park. Vinhome's Grand Park has total 271 hectares. It has 15 different interesting theme parks. This project is really good. That's were the main reasons I bought. A lovely flat, 2 bedrooms and wonderful views. I am using my flat for rent now. Today I come here with my friends. They also bought flat inside here. Now we go to see Light Gardens. This Light Garden had 20 super trees. These super trees look similar like super trees in Garden by the Bay in Singapore. We are now staying at the main gate of Light Garden inside Vinhome Grand Park. Let's follow me, we go inside to visit Light Garden. Light Garden is quite big. The garden looks very clean and beautiful. There are many lovely trees inside this garden. I guess it has rained 15 minutes ago. We still can see water on the stone roads. It is so lucky no more rain now. If all of you visit Singapore, all of you also can see Gardens by the Bay. Has very lovely gardens with lot of super trees. From now I already can see colorful lights from super trees. These super trees can change their body to become many different colors. They can make wonderful light performance. Their man-made mechanical forest consists of 20 super trees that act as vertical gardens, generating solar powers, acting as air venting ducts for nearby conservatories, and collecting rainwaters. To generate electricity, 11 of the super trees are fitted with solar photovoltaic systems that convert sunlight into energy, which provide lighting and add water. Technology within the conservatory below, varying in the height between 25 to 50 meters, each super tree features tropical flowers and various tents cleaned by across is the framework. The large canopies are operated at temperature moderators, absorbing and dispersing heat, as well as providing shelters from the hot temperatures of Ho Chi Minh City's climate to visitors walking beneath. Oh my god, all super trees look so beautiful. All super trees are changing colors. If all of you visit Ho Chi Minh City of Vietnam, please come here to visit Vinhome's Grand Park. When all of you can see the best smart cities, in Vietnam, and where all of you can see 15 wonderful theme parks with lots of lovely gardens with beautiful super trees, and all of you also can take a walk under HACCP lights. It looks so beautiful and romantic. You should visit here with your lovers. Hand in hand, all of you can take a walk to discover light garden together. All of you can also take a walk along the lovely beach with white sand. All of you can do barbecue along the beach. There are many colorful lanterns. There are many chairs along the roads. If all of you want to sit, all of you can sit. All the views in here during night times look so great. Oh my gosh, I wish I also could hold the hand of my lovers and take a walk in these romantic gardens. Unfortunately, there is no man want to hold my hand to walk in here. Never mind, my flat in here, so I will have opportunity in the future. Even I am walking along now, but it doesn't mean I am lonely. It means I can handle everything by myself. I am here, but tonight I forgot to bring my selfie stick, so all of you can only see my face. The colorful lights will make my face look like ghost. Thanks a lot for walking together with me. I am not alone. I have all my great subscribers who are always follow me and love me. Thank you so much for being my friends. Thanks a lot for subscribing my YouTube channels. I need to come back my car now. Please subscribe my YouTube channels to see more great videos. I will upload new video almost every day. Have a great day to all of you. Take care and see all of you again in other video clips.